evening, guys. Today is late already. I'm cooking 6:15, so it's dark. It start to be dark. I'm cooking today wild mushroom soup. My mom, she bought, the neighbor come to save for her, so it's like a hurry cooking. I did not prepare, so I go to pick up the I call sour leaf. Go to check it how I pick. I go to pick in my garden. Let's go. Then I pick hairy basil at my yard. After that, I wash the wild mushroom. The tip how to wash the wild mushroom, get out the dirt more easier. You have to add salt in the water. Then you can clean the mushroom easier. Lemongrass, garlic, onion, hairy basil. This I will give English name I cannot pronounce now, but we call sour leaf, fermented fish, salt. Time to cook. Add lemon, onion, chili, garlic. Very hurry cooking, sorry friend. Salt. And I add it should be chicken stock but no have, so I add the pork stock. How do you know which mushroom that can eat or which mushroom that poison? I saw the video my friend in YouTube. I will give the name in the link here. What is YouTube channel? I saw her cook wild mushroom stir fry with vegetable. So I asked her. She said she studied more than 10 years and she have expert friend to tell which one is a good mushroom for people can eat. And my mom, she teach me today I asked her again because I asked her many times and she teach me a lot, but I cannot still figure out which mushroom that can eat. She said if you check in the mushroom that have a worm can eat, it mean people can eat. If the mushroom that no have a worm or insect eat, it mean poison mushroom. So I think it's a little bit tip to share how you can pick the mushroom in the forest, but have to be very carefully because in Thailand people when they eat poison mushroom is get very bad time, have to go to hospital. Okay, now I think you boil until ingredient is come out to the liquid. Then you will add the mushroom. I changed my mind. I should add the sour leaf first. This make the soup sour, more tasty. And I will add the fermented fish. Not add all. Add mushroom. These are mushroom. They are very mature, so need to cook today before they get rotted. I hope my mom will like mushroom soup. Finally, you add Harry basil. This the mushroom soup. Thank you for keep watching until the end of the video. I hope you enjoy that I'm cooking hurry today because it's dark already and the video might turn not so brighter because no have light. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe to support my YouTube channel, and please don't forget to press the bell icon for notify, and feel free to leave comment below, and you can tell me or advise me what kind of food do you prefer for me to cook. I have to prepare the dinner for my parents, so I have to go. Bye bye สวัสดีค่ะ